Chow down quick. Understanding wolf down in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore a fun and vivid phrase, wolf down. If you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's start by breaking down the phrase, wolf down. It's a verb phrase that paints a pretty vivid picture. To wolf down, something means to eat something very quickly and with a lot of enthusiasm, almost like you're super hungry. It's like how you might imagine a wolf eating. Fast, eager, and without much thought for table manners. Understanding where an idiom comes from can often help us remember it better. The phrase, wolf down, likely originates from the observation of how wolves eat. Wolves, being wild animals, often eat rapidly and greedily, especially when food is scarce. This eating style has been metaphorically applied to humans when they eat quickly. Hence the term, wolf down. To get a better sense of how wolf down is used, let's look at some examples. 1. After the gym, I was so hungry that I wolfed down my dinner in just a few minutes. 2. Don't wolf down your food like that. You'll get a stomachache, said mom to her son. 3. During the short lunch break, everyone seemed to be wolfing down their meals to get back to work. Notice how in each example, the phrase is used to describe eating quickly, often due to hunger or a lack of time. While wolf down is a common phrase, it's important to know when to use it. It's typically informal and works great in casual conversations or in descriptive writing. However, it might not be appropriate in very formal or professional settings. Also, it's a phrase more commonly used in certain English-speaking regions, so its familiarity may vary across the English-speaking world. And there you have it. Now you know all about the phrase, wolf down. Use it when you're describing someone eating quickly, just like a hungry wolf. We hope this video has been informative and fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language explorations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.